Hello guys! Tara na't lutuin natin ang nagtitrending na tofu squares. Napakasimpleng pagkain pero malasa at higit sa lahat madaling lutuin. Pwedeng pang ulam at pang pulutan. I'm sure magugustuhan ninyo. Let's get started! Sa recipe na ito, gagamit tayo ng firm tofu, cut into bite size, seasoned with salt and ground black pepper. Lagyan din ng cornstarch and mix gently. Make sure makoat ng cornstarch each tofu slice. Then, i-roll natin sa flour, beaten eggs, and sa breadcrumbs. I-deep fry natin until golden brown each sides. Sa sauce, kailangan natin ng mayonnaise, liver spread, seasoning powder, oyster sauce, and calamansi juice. Mix very well until just combined. You can add milk if the sauce is too thick. I-arrange na natin ang tofu sa serving plate, lagyan ng sauce, garnish with spring onion and green chili, and kainan na!